So we've had some positive signs here. I was able to drive the piston, this number 2 piston, down about a ½ inch. Took the connecting rod cap off first. The wrist pin, you can see, is free. Some rust on the crankshaft, but it kind of looks like there's still assembly lube, and maybe that saved the journal, I don't know yet. So I've got the bolts off of number 3 here. I'm going to take this cap off. The dang old dipstick is in the way, and that won't come out. The other one came off pretty easy, the other cap. I'm going to take the bolts completely out here. And I don't want to I guess I'm not as lucky here as before. This guy is not looking like he's going to come off that easily. So what I've done on the other side, I probably should use a wooden dowel here, but take my breaker bar and come down on the, not on the piston crown, but on the wrist pin area. I was able to fudge that other piston. Now look, this one's moving easy. Look at that gap there. Can you get the gap in the video? This piston's moving pretty easy. So that's a really good sign. So if I can get all 4 pistons disconnected, then I'll see if I can turn the crankshaft. So we'll be back with another video in a few minutes. Thank you.